Hey guys, this is a 3D printer I have. Now you can look at the mechanics of this one. Now, here's the guideway, linear guideway, and this thing moves over it. I'll lift it up and show you. Below it is a linear guideway over there. And it can move along this axis. It was actually controlled using the stepper motor just below this. This is the NMEA 17.1, and there's a timing belt running across it, which I'm just moving around. And on the other end, we have these bearings over here, and this timing belt is attached to this whole thing just using these cable ties. It's a pretty simple thing, so we don't have to put all those L clamps and stuff for this. And this is moving over these smooth rods over here for the Z-axis part. Okay, to have a look at that, this is exactly the smooth rod, and this is what moves on the smooth rod. You can see how it is fixed, and a similar one exactly is on this side as well, over here. It actually has two steppers, one over below this screw rod and one below this screw rod, this one over here, for the Z axis alone, which is the height of this this particular plate over here. And the smooth rods just fix it over here using these acrylic parts. That should be pretty simple, and that's about it. Do let me know if you want more information on this.